In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Adobe Black Friday deals. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Adobe Black Friday deals. Right here, scroll down a little bit and go to this website which is called Tech Radar. And right here, if you scroll down a little bit, you will see that we have a list with some promotions and deals that we can use. So all you need to do right here is just find the best promotion for you. And after that, all you need to do is just tap right here on this button where it says "View Deal," and then you'll be redirected to the website where you can proceed to claim this offer right here. Also, if you go back to the main search right here and scroll down a little bit, we have this website right here, which is called Creative Blog. And right here, as you can see, we have another deal that you can use on Black Friday right here. And if you scroll down a little bit more, you will see that we have other deals right here that you can claim. So right here, all you need to do is just simply find the best option for you right here and the best promotion. And after that, you can simply tap on this button where it says View Deal, and you will also be redirected to the website where you can go forward and claim that deal in order to get the promotion. So this is pretty much it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.